dear children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home during this corona period. Don't forget, listen your parents, obey them always. Don't go out for play or to move around. Okay, very careful because you are 10 years, very careful. This virus affected our world, our earth, right? When you come back to home, don't forget to wash your hands with sanitizer or hand wash. I hope this period you learn new many words you got it right. Corona, COVID-19. COVID means what you know? Coronavirus disease, COVID. Okay, COVID-19. Then quarantine, another word. Okay, we did not use earlier. Quarantine. Okay, very careful. I know you all are eagerly waiting to reach school, to meet your friends and to share lots of things, right? And we are also waiting to meet you. Anyway, don't worry in the academic activity, you don't worry, the teachers are always with you. Okay, let us start now the first lesson. Before we begin the lesson, I have a request to you. Take a notebook and get ready with pen. Are you ready? Okay. Then write the top of the page. Don't forget to put today's date. At top of the page you write lesson 1. Lesson 1, Planet Earth. Okay, we all are living in this earth, right? Our planet is a unique planet in the solar system. Have you studied about solar system? You know what is solar system? The sun, 8 planets and their satellites, other celestial bodies all together form a solar system. Okay, all these 8 planets, other celestial bodies and these satellites of these planets, all these things move around the sun. Okay, in the solar system, our planet, our earth, only a unique planet. Do you know why? Because earth has only air and water which make life possible. Right? That's why our earth is considered to be a unique planet. The earth is made up of land and water. It's very interesting, dear children. You know, the most part of the earth's surface is covered with water. That means 71% of the earth's surface covered with water. Then merely 29% only land. Told you that earth is made up of land and water. 71% of the earth's surface is water, covered with water, and 29% of the earth's surface is covered with land. Large landmass is called continents. The earth is divided into continents. The surface of the earth is divided into 2 continents and water bodies. That means oceans. Large water bodies are called oceans. There are small water bodies also. Okay, rivers, lakes, gulfs, bays, etc. Okay, large water bodies are called oceans and large land masses are called continents. The earth's surface is divided into 2 continents and oceans. Then listen the video, my dear children.
Continents. The large landmasses are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Dear children, when you learn names of these continents, learn according to its size. The largest one, number 1, is Asia. Our country, India, is belong to this continent, Asia. And also the highest land part, the Mount Everest, is in Asia. The second largest continent is Africa. It is also known as the Dark Continent. The third largest continent is North America. And fourth one is South America. Fifth largest continent is Antarctica. The continent Antarctica is also known as the White Continent because this continent is completely covered with ice. Sixth continent is Europe. And the smallest continent is Australia. It is an island and also name of the country. The largest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Oceans. The largest water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans in the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean.
Okay, dear children, I hope you understood. The Earth's surface is made up of land and water. The large landmass is called the continent and large water body is called the ocean. You studied 7 continents and 5 oceans. Right. You know what is the shape of our Earth? What is the shape of our Earth? In olden days, it was believed that the Earth was flat. So the people afraid to move very far because they thought it had steep edges. So they thought if they move very far, what happened? They will fall. Okay. Then there was during the 16th century. In the 16th century, an explorer named Ferdinand Magellan sailed around the world and proved that the Earth was round. Actually, when we look at the Earth from space, we cannot see whole part of the Earth. Only half of the portion, half portion of the Earth only visible. That means the shape of our Earth is like a ball. That means the both we used to say spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. I show you. We take the help of globe to study about our Earth. You know, if we want to study about our Earth, we take the help of globe. Globe helps us to study about Earth. See the shape of it. It's actual. Globe is a small and true model of the Earth. It's the actual shape of our Earth. And this shape is known as spherical in shape. Spherical, that means top and bottom slightly flattened, and the middle part, see, like ball, you know, you all are using a ball to play, right? And see, the middle part bulged. The middle part bulged and bottom and top flattened, slightly flattened. That shape is known as spherical, spherical in shape. That is called actually, what is the shape of our Earth means geoid. Geoid means nothing but spherical in shape. Okay, dear children, I give you few new words here and write in the notebook and study well. I hope all you understood what I taught today, and let us stop today's class. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.